So, today we're going to remove the sidecar from the gsxr 1000. So, what do you reckon, guys? It's your last ride you're ever going to get on the sidecar. But you'll be alright. I reckon you go on the back, mate. So, give us a wave, guys. Oh, that's it, you bloody little fellas, mate. Well happy. Oh, geez, but they gotta go. Sidecar has gotta go. So, there's the first few stages you gotta go through for removing this old beastie sidecar here, mate. First of all, you gotta get rid of the Lego, because they can't ride it anymore. See you later, mate. You gotta go. That's it. I don't know about the windscreen. I suppose that's gotta go too. Right. Now, you're gonna need some tools. Tools required. 1 pink hammer, just in case you get pissed off. Some things, some other things, and the Builder Lego Man. Yes, the Builder Lego Man will do the work that no one else can. Thank you, Mr. Builder Lego Man. So, now we've got to remove this heat shield, and yes. Right, so, Mr. Lego Builder Man, we've got to remove the heat shield. What part do we need? It's that bit, is it? Thank you very much. Right, so we need this bit here, yes, and we need that bit, okay, and that bit, okay, thank you. So we need this bit, we don't need that, no, okay, right, so, sorry? Oh, right, we need that as well, do we? Okay, thank you. So, we get that together and we remove that. Okay, let's see what we can do. Right, so, here we go, mate. We've got to take this thing off, mate. And we get the old ratchet. Oh, mate, look at this, look. Oh. And undo it. Simple as that, mate. And then we'll be on to old stage 2. So, there you go, mate. Heat shield removed. Quite easy, really. Well, there she is. Slips on, slips off, I guess. Oh, jeez. So, Mr. Lego Builder Man, I see you're already on a job stage 2, mate. I suppose we've got to loosen that off. Is that right, mate? So, same thing again. He's told me, mate. You just got to put the old ratchet on there, mate, with the old little barry bit, and just turn it. And turn it, mate, and just loosen the thing off, mate. That's what he's told me to do. Are you quite happy there, Lego Builder Man? Oh, jeez, thanks for your help, mate. You're holding the can up. He's just supporting the can right there, so it just don't fall off, mate. Gee, he's a bloody blinder, mate. What a geezer. Oh, you're a great chap, mate. So, how you doing there, mate? Next stage, I guess, then. Oh, geez, what do we need for this? Tools required! 12mm spanner! Is that right, Mr. Lego Man? Oh, geez, thanks, mate. So, you need a spanner to hold this nut job, mate. And then we got the old bits and bobs to go in that one, mate. Gee. So, we need the old doodad, mate. Stick him in there. Oh yeah, oh geez, mate. So, need 2 hands with this one to hold the beast. There we go, mate. Get him undone. That's it, crack the beast, mate. So, we remove that and we get old Mr. Builder Man to hold up the can, innit, mate? Oh geez, you're a special kind of geezer, mate. Thanks, mate. You're a bloody beaut. Next time you see this sidecar's gonna be gone, mate. Absolutely gone. Cheers, mate. Haha, just drop this thing, here we go. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove this can while Lego Builder Man and the other man has disappeared, and I'll show you how to take it off, because he couldn't be asked. So, you just literally, lovely, give it a wobble, and yeah, hang on, wobble, oh dear, I can't wobble it enough, oh, so, maybe I'll leave it up to them. Lego Builder Man! Okay, so, I just got back to the job, mate, and it looks like Lego Builder Man's removed the old sidecar for me, mate. So, Where are you, Lego builder man? Oh, there's a sidecar, mate. Oh, you right there, mate? What do you mean you're a little bit squashed, mate? Well, it's a bit big and heavy, mate. That's what you mean, right? But you're strong, mate. You can do it, mate. It's all right. What are we going to replace this thing with anyway, mate? Oh, jeez. Oh, mate. I like it. You got an Arrow exhaust there, mate. What's that? The old titanium pro race thing, mate, isn't it? You like that, didn't you, geezer? Oh, mate. All the fitting bits and other crap. So, we're going to fix this onto that. Let's see how it goes. Right then, Lego builder man, what we've got to do now, mate? We've got to get this and put this in there. And put that up there, mate. Righto, here we go, mate. Here we go. This has got to go in there, mate. Oh, jeez. Okay then, Lego builder man, what have you been up to, mate? You used that tool and that tool, mate. That's a 12mm spanner you used, and a ratchet, and some other bits, mate. Alright? Right, what'd you do then? You fitted that bracket on there, nice and loose. Right, mate. What have we got to do next then, mate? You reading about it? Oh, shit. Oh, look at that. You've got it there, mate. So, we got to put that bit off the old bracket onto the new bracket, mate. Put that bracket onto here, and put that bit on there as well, mate. We can do that shit. Come on, builder man. Get moving, mate. Oh, gee, Lego builder man. I see you've done the job, mate. Although you lost your head, what you getting hot, mate? Oh, he's got hot, but he's done the job, look. So those bits are done. What do you do next, Lego builder man? So, mate, what's next? Right. What they say then is that we got to fit the can. Okay, mate. Let's do that job. Here we go, mate. Slip the can on, mate, over this bit of thing. Some bloody hell. And then it'll all be good, mate.
Shoving the can on into place.
You got it easy, Mr. Lego man. Oh, jeez, it's on though, mate. Now, we got to fit in here, mate, a little spring between here and here. Down here somewhere. There it is. So we put the spring on, mate, and then we got to bolt up the bracket. So, Lego man, where's the spring, mate? Oh, jeez, mate, you found it, look. Oh, look at that pretty little diamond thing, mate. Oh, jeez. Do you know what, Lego builder man? I don't mind that you fit it with farm animals, mate, because you bought me a lovely little spring with a spring t-shirt, mate. So, we'll fit that on and we'll see how it goes. Cheers, mate. Oh, look at you, little Lego builder man. What's up for you, mate? What? You pulled your bollocks out, put the spring on. Oh, mate, look, you got the spring on with a little spring t-shirt, mate. That's a good job. And you tie another bracket, mate. Why'd you pull your balls out there, mate? What? Fitting the spring was an absolute pain in the... Oh, mate. So, that bit of weld was a pain in the arse. And putting on the spring, what a bloody joke, mate. Oh, jeez, mate, the job's almost done. Oh, jeez, you tightened that up, mate. Then you tightened that up, right? What's up with your balls, mate? Oh, what, that spring was a bastard to fit? Oh, mate, what a pain. Anyway, she's looking good, mate. So, we got to fit the old heat shield with a hammer, put it on the bike, and we'll start it up and see what it sounds like, mate. So, there you go. Sidecar has been removed, mate, and will be smashed up with the hammer, which I haven't yet used, but it will happen. Much better looking than the original thing. So, how you doing, Mr. Lego man? I see you got Mr. Lego Medic man with you. Your balls still hurting? Oh, jeez. So, quite an easy job to do, but remember, help your little Lego friend, because he's going to hurt his balls with a Lego t-shirt. So, let's start her up, mate. We'll give her a little start up and a listen. Go on, mate, start her up.